Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will be seeing some basic details about Arduino. As you have read the title of this video, Getting Started with Arduino, in this video I will give some basic information related to Arduino you should know before starting with Arduino. Okay, let us see first what is an Arduino. Okay, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. As we all know, by using Arduino, we can do so many projects. It has infinite number of opportunities to getting started with some embedded or microcontroller related projects. Some of you will be having some doubt about what is this open source electronics platform. Yes, open source electronics platform means the codes which are available and the design of the Arduino board is free to use by any of us. We can use that source codes or the schematics of the Arduino to improve the Arduino boards. Okay guys, this is some basic information about Arduino. Yes, and Arduino is also a microcontroller. And now we will see what are these Arduino boards are capable of. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button or a Twitter message and turn it on into an output. Like it can activate a motor, turning on a LED, publishing something online, or maybe something it can send some message to your phone by using GSM module. How these works are done by Arduino? Yes, that is done by writing some instructions to the Arduino board. Yes, you can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do this, you use the Arduino programming language and the Arduino software based on a processing. And this Arduino IDE software, which is used to program the Arduino, is also free of cost and it is available in the official website arduino.cc. I will provide the link for downloading this Arduino IDE in the description below. From there you can download the Arduino IDE software. Okay friends, now we know what is an Arduino and what are the things that are required to program an Arduino. Now we will see why Arduino. Okay, why we should use Arduino. See, it is so simple that thanks to its simple and accessible user experience, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. The Arduino software is easy to use for beginners yet flexible enough for advanced users. It runs on Mac, OS and Linux computers. Teachers and students use it to build low-cost scientific instruments, to prove chemistry and physics principles, or to get started with programming and robotics. Now we got to know that the Arduino board is used by so many students, hobbyists and also teachers to demonstrate physics concepts and some technologies or some principles. Then it should be having some advantages, right? Arduino is chosen by so many people because it is inexpensive, cross-platform, that is, it can be used in Windows, Mac OS or Linux operating systems. Most microcontroller systems are limited to Windows, but this Arduino board can be used in any computer system. Simple, clear programming environment, next open source and extensible software, next open source and extensible hardware. Yes, because of these advantages, the Arduino is chosen by so many students for their mini projects or hobby projects, for testing some concepts or ideas which have in their mind can be brought into picture by using Arduino. After all this, you will be having one doubt. How can we write the instruction to Arduino board? Is it hard, easy or tough? Let me tell you that programming an Arduino is very easy and it requires only some basic knowledge about C. I hope you all got the basic information regarding the Arduino, what is an Arduino, why we choose Arduino, what are the advantages of using an Arduino and which programming language we will be using for programming an Arduino. In the next video, I will discuss C programming language and its basics for programming an Arduino. Until then, be motivated, keep learning, stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.